Okay, here we are, unboxing. We should find a bunch of distress. Let's get these opened up. And these were from Joann when they had a nice big sale. Broken China, worn lipstick, spiced marmalade. I've used that color, I really like it. Walnut stain, that's a nice one for the edges and just distressing things. Peeled paint, 2 peeled paints. Okay, that doesn't seem right. We should check that out. Vintage photo. I think I might have that one. Faded jeans. Oh, I've been eyeing that color. That's a good one. Cracked pistachio. I've used that one and seen it in a lot of videos. I really like that one. Candied apple. Fossilized amber. This one looks way better when you use it than it does in the package. Salty ocean. That's a great one. You can do some great stuff with these 3. Picked raspberry. Wow, all the pinks. Twisted citron. Oh, that's a good one. Abandoned coral. I love that one. I've been using it a lot. Fired brick. I've used this one. I like that one. Ooh, seedless preserves. That's a great one for doing some nice backgrounds, bringing in the purple. Lucky clover. I don't know this color. Black soot. That might be the one that I have for the edges and stuff. With this and the cream color, you can do just about anything. Wilted violet. Frayed burlap. Seedless preserves. Okay, 2 of those. Was that the plan? Iced spruce. This color is funny because it looks, I've used it and it looks really good. I like it as a color. It's just the packaging maybe doesn't sell it. And then peacock feathers. I have this one and I absolutely love it. So I think I'll be making a video at some point and showing some fun colors. Okay, just wanted to share the unboxing with you.